Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nilima Joshi. I hope you all are doing good. If you're new here, then I create content on health, food, fitness and self-growth. Consider subscribing if you like my content. So today I am going to share what I eat in a day. It was quite a requested video on Instagram as well as on YouTube. So I thought I'll show you guys what I eat in a day. It's not the same always. It depends on the availability of time, food and mood also. So I'll take you through my day, what all I'm eating, all the mid snack and all the drinks that I'm consuming in the entire day. So I hope you like it. In case you like it, just let me know in the comment section which meal do you like the best and which meal do you want to consume amongst these, right? These are just basic, simple, homemade recipes, nothing fancy. So let's get started. So this is something that I'm trying for the first time. It is what I eat in a day video and it's trending. It is always trending. A lot of you guys requested me, so I thought I'll try something different, and moreover I am at my parents' house, so I thought I'll do a random kind of a video, and it is just a lazy kind of a day and a very basic no workout, not moving, just chilling and eating kind of a day. So let's get started. I hope you will like it. As soon as I get up, I like having my morning drink. You guys have seen my Instagram posts and videos about it. So this is a ginger cinnamon drink that I'm having, and I keep on changing these drinks. For regular updates, you can follow me on Instagram. There's a link for my Instagram profile down. You can follow me. So once I'm done with this drink is super tasty. You can try it. It's a ginger cinnamon concoction drink. I will have it, and once I'm done with this, I will have a bowl of fruit. It can be any fruit, though today it was watermelon in the house, so I had, like, after 30-40 minutes I'll have this bowl of fruit. And after this I'm having my breakfast. This is dosa, sambar and chutney. This is masala dosa. My mom made this. This was super yummy. And this is coconut chutney and sambar. So yeah, dosa and sambar and chutney. I'm going to enjoy it, and I'll see you at lunch. So I did not have any mid-meal, but just regular water. Like between my breakfast and lunch, it was just water, nothing else. Generally I keep on shuffling between any fruit, or sometimes it's just normal green tea or a handful of nuts if I'm hungry. But I was not hungry because like it was a lazy day, so it was quite late that I had my breakfast. So yeah, there was nothing else. So once it was done, I had my lunch. For lunch I had matar paneer and some salad and one chapati, and it was bharwa karela. It's not a regular thing that I have. It's just that I'm at home, so I'm having this. So yeah, it was my lunch plate. Very simple, very basic. After that, there was this like tea time around 4ish or 5ish. I had my snack. Like, I had already started eating it, and then I remembered that I was shooting. So yeah, I had taken a few sips from my cup of tea. So this is normal regular milk tea without sugar, and this is homemade matri. This is made of semolina, and these are rice cakes, 2 rice cakes and some peanut butter. And this is the mid-meal, like it's a kind of an evening snack that I had. Generally it's a pre-workout also. I of course did a little bit of walking, nothing major, but yeah, this is what I had. And around 8:30 or 9 I had my dinner. For dinner I had basic vegetable, saute vegetable. There was nothing major in this. It was just capsicum and onion with 2 scrambled egg, and I had just added salt and black pepper, nothing else. And yeah, this was my dinner. Pretty much simple dinner. Like everybody has something else, but I like to keep my dinner quite simple. So it was just saute vegetable and scrambled eggs. So for my night drink, I had this concoction drink which was made of jeera, hing and a little bit of ajwain. Very, very basic, very, very simple drink. It keeps your stomach well, and it keeps your gut quite relaxed, and I feel good, and I feel quite I mean, I tend to sleep very well after having this. So this was it about my day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and family. This was just a basic layout, nothing specific. It was just what was available, and I hope you like it. Let me know if you would like to see something very specific. I would love to create content around that. Bye bye, see you next time.